Hey, you. Yeah, get a little closer. Look, you know me as Matthew, the car count fixer, and I want to talk to you about 3 huge mistakes that I see shop owners making right now, and I don't want you to do that. So all you have to do right now is buckle up, because we're going to get started. Hey, I'm Matthew, the car count fixer. Thank you so much for taking a minute out of your day. If you're a serious repair shop owner and you want to grow your car count, income, and profits, go ahead and smash that subscriber button over there and you'll be on your way. So I said to you I wanted to have a quick chat. And this is, listen, I got to be straight with you. I'm not pointing fingers. I'm not trying to be condescending or difficult or telling people that, I know you're hardworking guys and gals, but there's a couple of things that I see happening all the time, and I don't want you to make these same mistakes. Mistake number 1 that I constantly see is shop owners can't access their customer data. I know you've got it in your shop management program. I get it. You can go into your program and you can call up names or numbers or email addresses and the customer information is right there. But that only helps you when I'm standing in front of you looking to do work. How are you going to use that information to actually get customers to come in and visit you? Virtually every shop management system I've run across allows shop owners to download their information in what's known as a CSV file. That stands for comma separated value. Now, it could be an Excel spreadsheet that can easily be converted to a CSV file, but if you can't access your information and customers that have been in your shop in the last 6, 8, 12 months, what are you going to do to get car count? It's like this information is by far your most valuable asset. I don't care how many scanners you have, how many tools you have, anything that's in your shop doesn't matter. Because if you don't have customers, all you've got is crickets. So getting that customer information is critical for you to be able to download your customer list and use it in any way you want. And that could be as simple as doing postcards or direct mail or things. I know you're telling me direct mail doesn't work. Yeah, but go ahead and tell the shop owners that do it on a regular basis. So I'm even going to link a video up here to shop owners that do this and make several $1,000s a month doing it. So that's something that you've got to do. You've got to stop what you're doing, after this video's over, and go ahead and figure out how you can download your customer information. Problem number 2 I see is shop owners don't have an offer already structured to go send their customers. Now, this could be you're doing a Facebook posting, or you're going to run Google ads, or you're going to do a EDDM or something to attract customers to your shop. What are you going to give them as an offer? Now, there's a couple of key things, and hey, before we jump into the rest of this video, I don't think you know, I just updated the Auto Shop Marketing's most popular download on how to create your own kick butt offers, and I've now exposed the complete blueprint on how you can create and market your own kick butt offers. I show you 3 simple changes that you can make to your very first offer so that you can use it any time of year, all year long. And if that's not enough, I've even included actual samples of kick butt offers. Go ahead in the links below. Now let's get back to the video. Now that download explains everything, but what I was going to tell you is that there's a couple of key things, and one of them, the most important, is your headline. And so many offers I see just don't have a headline, and hey, let me get closer, and I don't want to offend you. Your name is not a headline. In fact, in the days of Ogilvy Advertising, who, they handled world-renowned brands in their advertising agency, Ogilvy said, your name in the headline is a deadline. So get rid of your name out of your headline. Mistake number 3, don't take this the wrong way, but shop owners are committing what I call marketing incest. And what's all that? Well, I've seen shop A, shop B, and shop C run this same ad, and I'm going to do the same thing. The fact of the matter is that just because they're running that coupon or that postcard means nothing. It means nothing as to how well it's doing. And the other problem when it comes to marketing incest, and I see this, is where independent repair shops want to go ahead and copy what the big national chains or national franchises are doing, and that's a huge mistake. The problem with doing that is you have no idea of knowing what those corporates are focused on. So don't commit marketing incest. All you have to do is go ahead in the links below and download my expanded kick-butt offers formula. I give you examples. I show you how to take one simple offer and multiply it over multiple seasons any time of year. So all you have to do right now is in the links below, go ahead and check out the kick-butt offers, and that's a free download. And if you're still hanging around with the 2 or 3 other people, over here is a bad news video because your customers don't trust you. And if you're struggling with card count in these weird times, this video here walks you through different things that you can do to start generating card count. I'm Matthew, the Card Count Fixer. Thank you so much for taking a minute out of your day. Don't forget to hit that subscriber button. Take care. Talk real soon.